Saving money on a daily basis requires intentional habits and mindful choices. Here are some effective strategies. Number one, create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Allocate specific amounts for necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. I'll put all this in the description. Number two, cook at home. Preparing meals at home can significantly cut down on food costs. Plan your meals for the week. Make a shopping list and stick to it to avoid impulse buys. Number three, limit eating out. Try to reduce the frequency of dining out. When you do eat out, look for specials or choose less expensive menu items. Number four, use public transport. Now, if possible, use public transport instead of driving, and this is going to save you on gas, parking, and maintenance costs. Number five, cut unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and eliminate the ones that you don't use regularly. Consider sharing services like streaming platforms with family or friends. Number six, set daily savings goals. Aim to save a small amount each day, whether it's $1 or $5. Man, I would save $220 a week. Put that aside into a 7%, residual income returns. Over time, this adds up significantly. Number seven, practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. This simple practice can help curb impulse buying. Implementing these habits can lead to substantial savings over time.